For week 17, the Miami Dolphins will be without their backup quarterback, Ryan Fitzpatrick. He has been ruled out of week 17's matchup versus the Bills after he tested positive for COVID-19. The NFL conducted contact tracing following his positive test, and no other players were identified as high-risk close contacts. And this was reported by Tom Pesarillo and Ian Rappaport and was written by Kevin Patra. So Mario, I'll start with you first. What do you think of this?
Well, first of all, I hope that Ryan Fitzpatrick recovers very quickly. Um, and then I want to go on and by saying all the quarterback duties is going to be all on Tua. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to be real. There were a couple of games this year where Tua kind of struggled a little bit, and they took him out and they put Ryan Fitzpatrick in. And I'm gonna be honest with you, they compared Ryan Fitzpatrick to like the best reliever and best relieving pitcher in football because he comes in, he performs very, very well when Tua doesn't. So I mean, Tua's gonna have to have a very good game, and this is a very important game for the Miami Dolphins because they're in a battle between who gets the wild card seed between them and the Baltimore Ravens. And a win here puts Miami in the wild card. If not, then Baltimore has a chance to win that wild card seed. So I mean, it's going to be up to Tua. Tua's got to have a great game. He's got to perform very, very well. And I mean, that's all I can really say about it. So the Dolphins cannot afford a bad game by Tua this week.
Yeah, absolutely, and especially when you're facing the Bills, who already clinched the playoff spot. They're the number two seed in the AFC playoff race. So they gotta really step it up. You like you said, Tua's gotta step up his game. But I'm gonna be honest with you, Tua's been struggling, and like you said, when Tua's been struggling, he's been bent for Fitzpatrick, and Fitzpatrick came in and did his thing to stop the nosebleed. So, like you said, with that said, was gonna have to step up. The entire team obviously has to step up, but it's up to Tua to get the job done and do it right and do it flawlessly. So with that said, good luck to the Miami Dolphins and good luck to Ryan Fitzpatrick. I hope you will recover fast.